Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am giving you the sneak peek or the glimpse of my upcoming project for the Valentine's Day. So I am going to show you the beautiful handmade explosion box using the lots and lots of techniques, and this is fully loaded with different cards, the decorations, everything. So I'm sure you will gonna enjoy this whole series and stay tuned for all the parts. This explosion box is created in 3 levels, so I have added 3 tiers, and there are lots of spaces to add your photos. And this is the handmade heart box to add the surprise. Isn't it very beautiful? So just stay tuned and see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.